Welcome to PowerUp with Vardhan, where we create high impact with low code. And in this very first video, let's start your automation journey with an introduction to Microsoft Power Automate. Let's begin. So, what exactly is Power Automate? Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based service designed to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, enabling organizations to work smarter and faster. It seamlessly connects to apps like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, Excel, and many more to streamline daily operations. With its intuitive visual drag and drop interface, users can create powerful automation flows without writing a single line of code, making automation accessible to everyone. Now, let us explore the core components of Power Automate. In this, the first one is flows. A flow is nothing but an automated workflow that connects your apps and services, which is triggered by specific events or schedules and performs one or more actions. Next is triggers. Triggers are the events that initiate a flow, such as receiving an email, uploading a file, or posting on social media. This is the starting point for each flow. Next is the actions. These are the tasks performed automatically in response to triggers, like sending attachments, sending notifications, or updating databases. You can imagine actions as a set of procedure which has to be performed. These three components work together to create powerful automation solution that transform how work gets done, eliminating repetitive manual processes and reducing human error. Now, let us see what are the different types of flows that one can create. So the first one is automated flows. These flows are triggered automatically by specific events such as new emails arriving, files being uploaded, or form submissions. In these flows, there are no manual intervention required. These flows run 24/7 in the background. So next is instant flows. These flows are executed on demand with a button click from your desktop, mobile device, or within other applications. These flows are perfect for ad hoc tasks. These flows are user-initiated automation. Next are the scheduled flows. These flows run at predetermined times and intervals. These are ideal for daily reports, weekly summaries, or monthly reminders. These flows are time-based automation. These flows have consistent execution. Next is business process flows. These flows guide users through standardized multi-step processes, ensuring consistency and compliance across your organization. These are structured workflows and have process governance. Now, let us quickly have a look at how you can build your very first flow. Here is a simple example. Go to make.powerautomate.com. So the first step would be selecting a template. Like for example, you can choose Save email attachment to OneDrive from the template gallery. Next, you have to connect to the services. Link your Outlook and OneDrive accounts to Power Automate. Third step, customize the settings. Specify the target folder, file naming conventions, and if required, apply some filters. Now, the last step, test your flow. Run a test to ensure everything works correctly before going live. Boom! Now you have created your first flow. The result? Your flow now automatically saves email attachments to OneDrive, saving valuable time and eliminating manual errors in file management. Now let us have a quick look at real-world use cases. So the first one is approval workflows. This is the most used use case of Power Automate. Like for example, automate approval process in HR and finance departments, routing requests to the right stakeholders and tracking decisions in real time. Next is instant notifications. Like for example, send immediate notification for critical business updates, ensuring teams stay informed about important events and deadlines. Next, data synchronization. Sync data between Microsoft Teams and Excel for seamless project tracking, maintaining a single source of truth across platforms. These practical applications demonstrate how Power Automate transforms everyday business operations across organizations from startups to large enterprises. Now let us have a look at features of Power Automate. One of the main features of Power Automate is its integration and connectors, which support 1000 plus apps. So the first one is Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft Power Automate has deep integration with SharePoint, Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, Dynamics 365, and Power BI for seamless productivity. Next are third-party services. We can use Power Automate to connect with popular platforms like Salesforce, Twitter, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. for cross-platform workflows. Next is custom connectors. Build custom connectors for proprietary systems and legacy applications, enabling automation across your entire tech stack. This extensive connector library enables cross-platform automation for diverse business needs, breaking down silos and creating unified workflows across the organizations. Let's move ahead. Now we will have what are the security and governance considerations in Microsoft Power Automate. So the first one is enterprise grade security. Microsoft Power Automate has built-in compliance with Microsoft security standards, including data encryption, at rest and in transit, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Next, administrative controls. Power Automate has comprehensive admin controls to manage user permissions, establish data loss prevention policies, and monitor flow activity across your organization. Next, coming to governance and monitoring. Power Automate can be exploited if flows are misused or poorly configured. Implement monitoring protocols, regular audits, and user training to maintain security. Best practice. Establish clear governance policy before rolling out Power Automate organization-wide. Define who can create flows, what data can be accessed, and how sensitive information should be handled. If you are getting started today, these are the initial steps which you can follow to start your journey. First, access the platform. Log in via your Office 365 account or download the Power Automate mobile app for iOS or Android. Next, explore the templates. There are hundreds of pre-built templates covering common business scenarios to jumpstart your automation journey. Next, learn and grow. You can leverage Microsoft's Learn's free training modules and engage with vibrant Power Automate community for support and inspiration. Unlock productivity and innovation with automation. Start small, think big, and transform the way you work with Microsoft Power Automate. Well, that was a brief introduction to Microsoft Power Automate. In the upcoming video, we will be having a practical walkthrough to Power Automate platform and we will be building our very first flow. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share this with your colleagues and friends. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. Thank you.